morning all. What's flying? Right now I'm shooting some B-roll as we speak, as I'm pretty sure by tonight the quad is not going to look pretty much the same, as right now it's in its pristine condition. By the end of tonight, probably not so. So that's why I'm taking the opportunity to shoot the Hero B-roll right now. So then I have a good condition quad still intact. But yeah, last night I was an anxious mess. Actually, instead of me describing it, let's just rewind, shall we? Okay, the time is now. We are walking over to the Field of Dreams. So we're just crossing the intersection here, but got the drone in hand. It's all secured, bolt checked and everything. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. I really don't think it's gonna go well, but it's a learning experience. So we're gonna go try this out. Hopefully this thing comes back in one piece. If it does, I'll be happy. If it doesn't, it just means more tinkering, more fixing required. So Brandon will be joining us in a bit. He's just waking up, so I decided to get a head start. Wesley's also making his way over, so the whole gang is gonna come here, support me for my first flight. Whew. So nervous right now. Breathe, Jackie, breathe. This was me last night basically. It was just me pacing around, just like, oh my god, it's actually happening. It's actually happening. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. It's just a manual quad. How hard can it be, right? Yeah, maybe I should just turn around and head back. Yeah, let's just turn around and head back. No, okay, let's do this. Let's face the unknown. So the goals of today are, since I only have two batteries, or they're more commonly referred to as flight packs. The first flight pack will be for me to learn line of sight, which is flying without the goggles, so I can see what the drone. Ooh, okay, let me take a breath. I can't even talk right now. Okay, the first flight pack will be for me to learn how the drone reacts in third person, so I can actually see it without the goggles. The second flight pack will be with goggles on. So with goggles on, we're gonna need somebody to watch out what happens with the drone and tell me to whether to disarm or not, and how high the drone is, etc, etc. But I'm freaking nervous right now. I'm like freaking out. I don't know if you guys, like, I'm fighting to keep the camera stable. Breathe. I can do this. I can do this. Okay, all right, once I get situated, I'll pick you guys back up. Currently we have the Protek35 is right here. I put on my GoPro, hoping to get this GoPro back by the end of the day. If not, it's going to be a sad day. I do have a lower quality action camera that I do have. It's like 1080s. I'm debating, should I put this on instead of the real thing, but I don't know. I hear a bike. Oh my god, it's Wesley. Okay, stop. Wait. Yo, that was so fucking close. You almost fucking ran it over.
You're right, that was very lucky. Good thing I braked.
You asshole. Okay, and then we have all this stuff in the bag. I brought the Mini so that we could film like some secondary third person shots. The controller in the gray box, more batteries in the black leather bag. Yeah, okay. And the goggles, of course, which is in the I'm so freaking nervous right now. I cannot even speak a word. The whole morning I've just been pacing back and forth. All right, let's just get set up. Wesley's here. You're gonna be doing the most important job today, being my spotter. And currently there's nobody in the field, so it should be good. I see a chipmunk down there.
Squirrel.
Or squirrel, whatever.
We're in Toronto, dude.
Good luck, squirrel. Yeah, you're gonna need it. All right, let's just get set up and let's go up. Yeah, I'm gonna move there. I'm not moving fast today, okay? Just slow fly.
What direction are you moving? Straight up?
Go that way, straight.
Okay. Filming.
Let me reset. That was bad. Bro, like I said, I don't fly very well yet.
That's the point. That's the fun in it. That's the humor. Look at the view.
I was too fucking scared of moving. Okay, so not that bad. It's just a couple of grass stains, which is to be expected because we're flying over a field. All right, so we just finished our break. We just did our line of sight flying, which I would say really went well. We're gonna transition to goggle flying, which is gonna be my first time. And honestly, I'm so freaking anxious to fly in goggle mode because in goggle mode, you don't have a 3D perspective of your drone. Whatever your camera sees, that's all you see. So if you see the sky, that's all you see. You don't see the ground, you don't see anything, right? And with these, you don't have sensors to tell you how far or how high you are. But either than that, we're gonna hop right into the goggles. Let's just get going. Okay, so we have everything powered on. Battery's not plugged in yet because it's not safe to keep the battery plugged in, as I have on my cheat sheet. I'll show you on the screen right now. I made this quickly for me, but you guys can, if you want, I can include it in the description below. You guys can print it out for yourselves. If you're first time flying, of course, and you just want a little bit of reminders. Either way, we're gonna start the controller, plug in the battery, hop into the goggles, and go for the first time. Whew. I don't know about you, but my heartbeat's starting to come right up, Wesley. Are you guys nervous?
No, not really. I'm not flying.
I mean, it might hit you. Aren't you worried about that?
I'm more excited to see you crash.
Oh god, this guy's an advocate for the bad things, man. All right, let's hop into the goggles. Powered on. Alrighty. Wes, you still filming?
Yes, we are.
Alright, you might want to get behind me. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, this is actually quite scary. Am I high off the ground, Wesley?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Oh,
You're getting close to the ground, though.
am I?
You're near the goalpost.
Like, I can't even see that right now. Oh, I'm heading to the place I crashed before, which is the bus, and I really don't want to go there. Turn around, please. Okay. Is that Brandon there? Ooh, I flew really close to him, didn't I? Okay. My heart is beating really fast right now, so I'm gonna. Ooh. Okay. How far am I roughly?
You're pretty far. You're near the play. You're a crux box field near the playset.
Do I dare do a power loop, Dennis?
No.
Alright, so let me land. Okay, not the smoothest landing on my part. That wasn't the smoothest landing on my part, but holy crap, I just need a moment to breathe. Wesley, can you fill in how was that first flight?
It was fine. I mean, you didn't really crash into anything. It's a big
Aside from that big landing just now.
Big plus from your last flight.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Okay. Initial observations or, yeah, initial conclusions from my first flight in the FPV drone. It's really smooth. I would say I like this better than my brother's old Crux 35. As that one, I felt like it was too sensitive. It just shot up whenever I did any throttle or anything. This one has more weight to it, so that it kind of weighs it down, and I have more. I basically need to use more throttle to move. So aside from that, I prefer the Protek over the Crux. So right now I'm just gonna do a couple more flights. Really just get the feel of things, and then we're gonna see where the day takes us. All right, see ya. So what is your pre-flight reaction to?
I think it's just gonna be a cruiser drone. Probably can't do much tricks on it.
Knowing you're gonna try.
I'm gonna try.
And then I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna see its nose plant into the ground, right?
Yeah.
No, please do not do that. It's like it's the first day, okay? Okay, so Brandon's flying my drone.
Oh, it's a heavy boy.
We knew that from the start, man. So he's just getting used to it. Wesley got into goggle mode too, so he's watching that as well. All right, so talk me through it. What are you thinking?
It's so heavy.
We already assumed that.
It's like me on my lower power motors.
Whoa, you're going really far, brother. Yeah, that's something else. Wow. Oh, he just did a barrel?
Why is this so like heavy?
You have the GoPro, you have everything on there. Oh, you're down. Disarm. That's down. Yeah. Oh damn.
It's so heavy.
Oh my god.
I mean, I did save it.
So let's just summarize. He did a barrel roll just now. That barrel roll is okay.
Yeah.
And then he tried to do a power loop. That one ended up into the ground.
No,
which
I saved it and then I crashed.
Whatever you want to say, that ended up into the ground.
It didn't fall full distance.
At least you were low and not high like mine, so. But yeah, so. Oh, now it's all grassy, man. No, it's all grassy now. But yeah, that's something I still don't know. Okay, in my goggles, I don't have the battery percentage, or it always says low power mode, so that's something I still need to figure out what that means. So there's some kinks to work out.
Try it?
Okay, I'll try on the last flight here. Okay, I'm taking off the screen of the GoPro. Okay.
Oh my god, the thing is so bad.
Yeah, with all three of us on? I hit the throttle by accident and I armed and it. Where did? Wait, where did my case? Oh. Is that my case, bud?
Yeah, your kid is done. Look at that crack.
Okay.
Well.
Well, now we have to use the other one.
Yeah.
Is the GoPro still recording?
It is.
I want to see how that looks.
That was wild.
Dude, that was bad.
How high was that?
You were like 30 feet.
Like how I was the first time flying yours?
No, you're much higher when your first time, but like yours fell.
I wish I got that. It was a straight fall. 30 feet.
Yeah, because as soon as I heard the motors, I was like, okay, I fucked up. And I shut down the thing and I disarmed. I was like, all right, I know it's gonna drop, run backwards. Because like I was still messing with my goggles and then I accidentally locked it and I armed it. I was like, oh.
So bad.
Here, give me your back.